Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos without a watermark. Stick around till the end to learn the easiest methods for saving clean and high quality videos. So let's dive in. So, first things first, open the TikTok app on your phone and find the video that you like. And once you have selected the video, click on the arrow icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Now, from the menu that appear, click on copy link and then close the TikTok app. Now, open your preferred web browser and search for Triple S TikTok. Now click on the first website, and once you're on the website, you will find a field where you can paste the TikTok link. So paste the link in the given field and then click on download. On the next screen, you will see these few options. So choose without watermark HD to get the best quality video, and you will see a download arrow appearing on your browser. Once the download is complete, open the video, and here you can see there is no watermark. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.